Drones are taking over Philippine rice fields and jobs are hanging in the balance. The Philippine Rice Research Institute is using technology to automate seeding, spraying, and fertilizer application, promising lower costs and higher precision. The Drones for Rice program, led by Phil Rice, partners with the International Rice Research Institute and AgriDom to modernize rice farming. DJI Agra's T-40 drones are being deployed across provincial fields, supported by training and demonstrations. Experts warn scaling up could displace 460,000 to 540,000 rural jobs with annual wage losses of about 27.5 billion pesos. High cost, 1.7 million pesos per drone, may force small holders to rely on cooperatives or service providers, limiting financial independence. Long-term risks to soil and biodiversity also remain. Drones show the power of digital agriculture, but efficiency must balance with job security and ecological sustainability.